When creating a fresh email, utilize the Send and Open with Celigo button. This feature enables you to choose the specific records with which you want the email to synchronize after sending. Additionally, when responding to a thread, you can activate the add-in. This will display the Send and Open with Celigo button, allowing you to decide to associate the email or enable the autopilot. CloudExtend can be used in your inbox, sent items, or compose mode. If CloudExtend was not able to fetch existing records, you can do a manual search using the search box in here. This resembles the functionality of the NetSuite global search bar. When conducting a search, you can utilize prefixes before the name to ensure that NetSuite returns the specific records you are seeking. Alternatively, you can simply enter the keyword you are looking for. It is recommended to provide as many characters as possible to enhance your search in NetSuite. If no prefixes are used, CloudExtend will perform a wildcard search. This allows you to search for multiple records across different record types, allowing users to add multiple records at once. Click the Add button, and choose your save method.